Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kari, and I'm back with another interesting video as obvious. So I hope you guys are doing okay. As for me, January was fine. We thank God we are now in February, and as we all know, February is a month of love. Yeah, it's just a month of sharing love. Valentines is coming. So guys, on today's episode, I'm going to unbox some gifts I got myself on for Valentine's, not just Valentine's, but just loving myself. Yeah, one of the things on my vision board this year was this, and I'm actually seeing that nafanya vitu nili nili set my mind on doing, and that's a good thing. So guys, I'm here to remind you that Valentine's is not all about romantic love. Yeah, people who are in a relationship alone, you can also show love to yourself. Yeah, that's the first thing you should always do. So as for me, I've decided to do that. So I have three three bags that I'll be unboxing today with you all. Yeah, so I don't know tuanzie gani. Yeah, let's start with this white bag. Yeah, nilisema nitajipenda. I'll just love myself. Keep yourself first, guys. It's very healthy. Yes, very healthy. So I've always wanted merchandise uh from just a brand in Eldoret, just a brand, any brand. So I decided to go with Forever Grateful. They have nice fits. This is a sweatshirt. Akina ka tiny, but imagine inanitosha. Yeah, it's a cute one. I really wanted this brown. Niliona ita give on my skin. Ah, lovely. It's a cargo pant, guys. Cargo. It's very beautiful, guys. The logo. It's very demure, and it's a set, a hood. Mm-mm-mm-mm. It's really beautiful. Alafu pia wameweka nini nyuma, so it's really cute. Forever grateful. I'm forever grateful to the Lord. So guys, hiyo ndo ilikuwa hapa ndani. You're done. It is that set. So moving on to this other one. Hapa tu ni manguo. I got myself two crop tops. I love the color. It's giving. I got two of them. An orange one. So cute. Next. My cat is just staring at me. It's a gym set. This year tulisema we are hitting the gym. Hitting the gym, guys. The color in a give, like, color ni tamu. Another gym set. Yeah, for a start. That's when you start strong. Hii sasa ni nini? Okay, it's cute. Okay, I love the material. It's really fine. Yeah. 2-piece set. Yep. Next, naambia guys, this is self-love number 1. It's not a must somebody akutumie anything ndo atuite Valentines. Valentine starts with you. Yeah. It's a trouser. So beautiful. Actually cute. Oh, the material, guys. Then expand, so nice. Next, it's a 2-piece. 2-piece. Guys, I've really been wanting this. Like, oh Lord, nikasema I must. Actually cute. Iko hivi. Sinavaliwa hivi. Guys, can't wait to get them on my fine body. Now guys, realize kitu. Pink is becoming my favorite color. Oh, tunafika the last. This is the last one here. It's a shirt. This is so nice. This is the material. It's giving. Yeah, I love this. It's nice. Inaka comfortable, then it's cotton. Like, just look at this. Yeah, what's next? These glasses. Inaka cute. Prada. Manifesting an international trip. Then put na bus kwa jua. But then these glasses in a car. Oh my, just look at that. So cute. Yep, what's next? It's a necklace. It's a cute necklace. Yeah, okay, it's very cute. It's gold. Okay, cute. Very cute. Guys, next, perfume. Yeah, it's an Arabic perfume. Chloe, please, I tell you, my cat and I admire. Come kwa camera, mama. No. It's an Arabic perfume. Nilikuwa nimeshafungua ninuse. Yeah, because I ordered it. Yeah. Nita Baccarat. 2.0 flowers. Yep. It really smells nice. What else? Mama nini ba? Come to mama. My cat is really shy. Nakapatwa na admire. He is really supporting me. And per psych. So next, last. My this is the last one. Yep, the last one from Body Tote Bag. Yeah. Can you guess what it is? It's a bonnet, guys. I've always wanted this bonnet. It's a 3-in-1. So black, then pink, hot pink, then unaweza kaa hivi bila. Alafu one thing nilitamani kuorder this juu niliona ina accommodate nywele umeshuka vizuri. Yep. Just look at it. Wow. So demure. Alright guys, just look at it. Heyy finny. Then guys, so many label. Yeah, nilitaka iandikwe Kari. Yeah, because I really love myself. Yeah. So acha nibaki nayo. Then that's not all. Ilikuja na kanini. Crunchy. I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a loyal babe. I'm a loyal babe to my girls. Thank you for your order. I hope you enjoy this order as much as I enjoyed creating it. Aww. It's cute. Hi, sugar. This is beautiful. Take 1 or 2 days. If the writing spill off, please use an iron box. She's very caring. You're part of us. I really love this. So guys, that's the end of my unboxing. Yeah, so have a nice time guys during this season of Valentines. Yeah, don't forget what I've told you. Self-love. Yeah, I'm sending love to you all, love and light this Valentine season. Yeah, remember, love starts with you. And also, if no one has told you that you are loved and you are enough, I'm telling you, you are loved and you are enough and you matter. Yes, so that's all. Kindly share my link to your friends. Share. Yeah. So guys, till next time, if I'll receive gifts during Valentine's, I'll continue this video. If not, I'll just post it the way it is.